This is April Battles Holistic Horseworks, and we're filming my instructor in Western Canada, Helene, who's going to show you how to cut this towel into something that can actually stay on when you want to wrap a knee with medicine or balm sweat.
Hello, this is on first aid bandages. We call that a spider bandages. So I would like for you to hold it with me. So I'll put some layers. I'm going to cut layers equal. If you want to hold on the other side too a little bit. There you go. So I'm going to try to make it happen a little quicker. So that's the first step. On either side we'll need to do that. I'll try to do equal layers to be able to braid that bandages to the knee. So the blanket or the towel you're using can be thin or thick, big or wide depending on the knee of your horse. So you want to hold it a little bit longer, yeah. So you need to adjust the length or the width of the towel to the width of your horse's knee to make sure it will fit properly. You want to hold it a tiny bit there so I can cut easier.
So a bigger towel for warm blood, smaller towel for a pony.
That's right, smaller, so it will be more adjustable on the knee. And it's usually done on top of a first aid product, which is the product that you use, a sweat, or let's say
like a balm sweat for knee arthritis. Or if you have a cut or a wound.
A cut or wound, or even, so it looks like that for now. It's like a little spider. So first, we put all the material, all the product we need, and depending on where the wound is, you cannot braid it over the wound. So ideally, it would be in the concave knee here behind. So the knee can be able to bend after that. So you can French braid it or you can twist it, okay? Depending on, you can twist it on one side and leave it on. Take the other two, twist it on the other side. Or you can French braid, it's okay, it's normal, right? It's a little pressure. Or you can French braid them. Ideally, you need to overlap them really nicely so it won't come out. Very important, on either side. So depending on how wide you've cut them, you will have different layers. You can even widen them if it's not wide enough to be able to wrap it all the way around. So it's a bit long, but I could have put it a little higher here because now I'm going down a bit low.
And that keeps it from sliding down.
It keeps from it sliding down. So I'm going to take the last part here. So if you French braid, sometimes it's easier depending on the length. So you're just going to put a little knot into it at the end. And make sure you tuck all these extras right here. You're going to tuck them in from one to the other. So on this part here, I should have had them a little longer so it'll tuck longer. So this is sort of a braid or a twist to it, and the horse can still bend on either side with the balm. So if I want to make it perfect, I would have it a little higher and a little lower and have these little spider fingers a little longer here, so it would really tuck in. There we go. That's the first.
How you can bandage a knee.
Yep.
Okay, when you have your horse standing in a stall, probably not something you turn him out in the pasture in. Okay, but if you're going to do like a balm sweat on a knee or a hock, this is a good way to keep it on so the horse isn't chewing it off and you're not having to use duct tape and vet wrap.